My name is Felix Gilbert. I'm the owner of XCell. We're a digital service company based here in Baltimore, Maryland.
My name is Joey Price, and I'm the president and CEO of JumpStart HR.
My name is Koffi Harrison, and I'm the president and founder of UpLight.
You know, when I was starting out my business, there was no such thing as planning ahead long term. It was more about thinking day to day. I can remember it's like, great, we got some interest, now what?
Initially, earlier on, when I was running my company, I literally felt like I was like a hamster in a wheel. I was running after every single government contract that existed, burning myself out, spending countless hours putting proposals together for people that didn't even know who I was.
December can come and you're like, I have been working nonstop, maybe 80 hours a week, but I don't see any progress.
We hear from entrepreneurs all the time that they're getting lost in the daily grind of their operations. They're constantly bouncing between problem to problem, just putting out fires. But we know that by investing the time in creating a strategic plan for your company, you're not only going to be able to be more focused in the things that you do, but be even more focused in the things that you say no to.
This is so important to be proactive when running a business because you don't want to be dragged into the future, you actually want to create it.
One of the big areas is it helped me scale beyond myself. Where are you trying to go? And let's make sure you're actually running on the right path. And let's make sure you have the tools and the resources that you need while on that path.
At Hutch, we always encourage that entrepreneurs use strategic planning and those frameworks earlier on in their companies in order to really be able to build the behaviors and the plans that they need in order to grow their business effectively and use their time efficiently.
As a part of Hutch, we walk through specific workshops around strategic planning and setting in, hey, where are you going to go in 5 years? Where are you going in 10 years? And as a part of that workshop, it helped me see the value of strategic thinking and strategic planning and executing. Many of those things that we had set in 2019, we're still executing today.
What it allows companies to understand is when they get off track. And so the ability to iterate, course correct, and ultimately understand where you are along the journey is equally as important as the destination itself.
There's not enough time in the day to go after everything. And it's okay to say no. It's hard being a startup, and a month, I won't say all money is good money, but I will say that checks cash the same. You'll see the fruit of that labor of just staying focused and building where you are and building in alignment with your plan.